Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Life Coach D coming at you, and I'm coming at you today with some spiritual food for thought. So it's so important that as believers that we make sure that in everything that we do, we stand in agreement with one another. Now, doctrinally, I know that will probably never happen because unfortunately so many stupid things have come along for us not to agree doctrinally. But for simple things like healing, health, peace in our country, or some other things happening, we can definitely do that. So the Bible says, how can two come together unless they agree? And my encouragement in this particular video would be to make sure that you're willing to stand in agreement with your fellow brother. We have so much going on: chaos, confusion, controversy, a lack of peace, fear-based things going on. And at this juncture in our lives, we have no choice but to come together. That's what God called us to do. So remember, encourage each other, motivate one another, but most importantly, let's agree with one another for the best in our lives, for our neighbors, our families, and everybody else around us, okay? That's what I have. Until you guys hear from me again, I'm just remember your lives are very valuable. Much love, God bless, peace be.